tonight we're gonna be doing a little get ready with me. I'm going to be going out to the club with Julia and Dwayne, possibly Dwayne's boyfriend. Not really sure just yet, but we're gonna be going to the club and I want to do a little get ready with me because I haven't done one of these in a while. So I just took a shower, as you guys can see. I'm trying to pick out my outfit. I'm either gonna wear this dress with the sleeves because it's kind of cold, or I'm gonna wear this green dress with like the side cuts out. But I just don't really know what like shoes to wear just yet. Well, no, I think I'm gonna wear my like clear heels, but it's gonna be super cold, so I kind of like want to wear a jacket, but then at the same time I like don't. So anyways, I'm about to use some deodorant, and then this is the lotion that I use, the Cherry Blossom by Nivea. And then I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to put on outfits and we'll see which one we like better. Phone's charging. I made dinner. It's 8 o'clock now, 8:08, and I think Julia said she'd probably be off around like 11 something. We're gonna start off with moisturizer. I feel like I haven't done a get ready with me. Ooh. It's so long. I feel like I genuinely say that every time I film a get ready with me. I really want to get the Giorgio Armani Silk or whatever, I think that's what it's called, foundation, because everybody like raves about it. So I really want to try it. But I did get some new makeup products. So I did just go to Ulta just the other day. So I'm going to be testing out our new makeup. I got the NARS Orgasm Mini Duo Summer Orgasm. I got the Brow Glue by NYX. I got a Cheek Heat by Maybelline. White eyeliner. I'm definitely going to use that. And then I got a brow pencil and the Thick It Stick It by NYX as well. I kind of want to wear this, but I also kind of want to wear the Orgasm. So I'm not really sure which one I'm going to do. One day. I might change outfits. That's why I put a sweater on, because I just wasn't. I don't know. It's just like something is up with the titas, and I just don't like it.
Oh my god, bro. Am I really dirty?
Okay. I kind of want to start.
Sorry, but I can't let y'all know that.
I want to start with my eyebrows. Sorry if y'all like get annoyed by the mirror being there. We're going to start with the Nyx Micro Brow. Honestly, I really do like these pencils, but they run out so fast. Like, there's barely any actual product in there, and it just like runs out so quick. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Let me use the goo first. I hope I like it, because if I don't like it, it's gonna be very sad. I feel like my eyebrows are like way too long to do them like this though. Oh my god, but this really is making it like plastered to my fucking face. Y'all see that? Oh my god, look at my eyebrows, you guys. This is insane. Do y'all see this? Like, what the fuck? That is like insane. That's all I can say for it, is insane. Should I leave them like this? Should I just like fill it in like that? I'm gonna take a Q-tip though, and I'm gonna take some micellar water, and I'm gonna just kind of like clean around it a little bit, because I don't want the goo to like mess up the way my like foundation or anything looks. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm gonna move into like my face, and then I'll fill my eyebrows in once it like sets and everything. But for primer, I'm gonna be using the Milk Hydro. This is like my favorite primer. I need to get more. I'm running out. You guys, I'm so excited to be going out tonight. This is the NYX Luminous Putty Primer. I'm just putting this on as well, just to help me like to be really glowy. I really want my like skin to be super moisturized, because like my acne is like really bad. It's actually way better than what it was. It was really horrible recently. I don't know where the lid went. I literally don't know where I put it. Got it. For foundation, we're gonna be using the ColourPop Pre-Fresh. This is in the shade Fair 25W. It's still honestly a little bit dark for me, but also I usually never use a beauty blender to put it on, but I kind of want to go with like a light, glowy, not too cakey, nothing like that. Just kind of like fresh.
Oh, Snap, you've been recording the whole time?
Yes. I almost freaking forgot to make my TikTok, but I just remembered, so period, I didn't forget. But now, okay, I put a little bit of foundation on, not too much, but I'm going to go ahead and just apply a little bit more to like the areas where my acne is kind of bad. This camera has a filter on it, like a smooth filter, so honestly y'all probably are like, bitch, where's the acne? But it's there, bitch, I promise. Okay, now I'm gonna take this brush, this Real Techniques buffer brush. I don't know if y'all have seen literally any of my get ready with me's. You guys know that I rave about this brush. It's perfect. It's literally the best if you suffer with like acne scars or anything. Like, it just is perfect. I love it. Today I posted a YouTube video and I literally forgot to do the thumbnail. Like, I kept telling myself all day, I was like, oh, I need to do it, I don't need to forget, like, please don't forget. And then literally it hit 7 o'clock, and right as I see that it's 7 o'clock, I'm like, fuck, I forgot to do my thumbnail. So then I had to like hurry up, and I was literally in the middle of cooking dinner, so I was like, what am I supposed to do? Like, am I just supposed to let my chicken burn? What am I supposed to do? So I had to try to multitask and get that done. I feel like I'm just going all weird order, but I don't really like, oh, I don't know what I want to do with my look. Like, I really don't. I just finished the eyebrows. They are a little bit bushy, so I'm gonna clean up the top. But I use this CoverGirl True Blend to like cut out my eyebrows, and then you guys know I use the NYX eyebrow pencil, and then I just use 2 of the NYX like little brow gel things. But yeah, and then I put this all over my eyelids so that we could like prep for eyeshadow, which honestly, y'all, I don't know what the fuck I want to do for eyeshadow. Bro, there's like a big ass fucking bug somewhere. Why did you stop? Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. Yo, this like, it's huge too because this bitch is loud, but I don't know where the fuck it is. I think it's in the shower. Okay, we're gonna use my Morphe 350 palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm just gonna do a little bit of brown in the corner. I feel like the lighting like in this mirror is so bad. I have to look up or else I can't like see anything. Yeah, I'm gonna use the same color but just a more dense brush, and I'm just gonna kind of pack some more of that onto like the outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take that same brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna just apply some of this like to the very outer. Okay, now I'm gonna use a smaller brush and just like one of the darkest shades they have. Now I'm gonna take like a flat brush and I'm gonna take my setting spray. I think what I want to do is like do like a pop of color on my under eye, but I just don't know exactly like which one I want to do. I think I kind of want to do like a blue green, but I'm gonna wait to do that until like after I like am dressed and ready to go, because I want it to like match whatever color outfit I pick out. So I'm gonna use this shade right here mixed with this one. We're just gonna put that in the corner. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with that little brush and just kind of like blend it together. Period. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow that we came up with, or at least it's probably Julia. Yeah, this is just what we came up with. I'm gonna put some eyelashes on and it's gonna look way better. The lashes I'm wearing tonight are from Crazy Lash and they are ZS03. So I'm about to go put these on and I'll be right back. I just got done putting on my eyelashes. This is what they look like. Super cute. These are like probably like my favorite ones that I got from them. Literally look so beautiful. They kind of look like lash extensions, which I really like.
Yo, gang.
Okay, now I'm gonna do some concealer. I hate when I freaking get like makeup boogers, and I know I'm gonna get one because, oh, why are you being weird?
Can you see just my head? Yo, gang.
To get like the makeup boogers, I hate those. I wish I had like a smaller beauty blender though, because this beauty blender is like just too big for my under eye. But I don't like the super micro ones either because they just are way too small and then you can like barely hold it. For powder, I'm using the Tarte translucent Tarte Shape Tape. For powder, I'm just gonna use the Fit Me powder, like the loose setting one. I'm just gonna dust a little bit of powder. I don't want too much. Like I said, I'm kind of going for like a more glowy look, so I'm gonna just set a little bit. Oh fuck, I forgot to do. See y'all, I forgot to like clean up the top part of my brow, so I'm gonna have to go back in and do that. Dust that off. I do not like leaving the bake on for too long because I feel like it just makes it look like all weird. Bitch, you are loud. Like you are the worst background noise person ever. Okay, for my bronzer, I'm gonna use the Park Avenue Princess. I like to pat it because I just feel like it gives it like a lighter look and it just looks a little bit better. Period. So there's the bronzer. Now I'm gonna do my nose. Use this little like angled BH Cosmetics brush. I'm gonna try to really carve out my nose. I took a little brush and then I put my like setting powder on my nose and kind of like carved it out. Do a little bit more and do like the sides. Babe, should I do berry or should I do NARS? I think I want to do berry. I want to do this one. I want to try it. I'm curious. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. I feel like this color is gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. I'll blend it in with my beauty blender. I think I might just do both. I might say fuck it and just like layer up. Does it look bad? Is it bad? Why are you looking at me like that? Looking at me all types of weird. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I feel like you literally cannot even tell. Anyways, we're gonna do regular blush now. I'm just using NARS Orgasm. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray and I'm just gonna like, oh, I have the hiccups really bad. That's not good. I'm gonna dust away this real quick. I'm gonna spray my face now. Ugh, and then I'm gonna fan it. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna be taking the oh my god, this is so annoying. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sugar. I'm gonna use Gumdrop, and then I'm also gonna use Ofra Cosmetics Glazed Donut. I'm gonna kind of mix both of those. A super small brush to do my nose. I just like Gumdrop because it has like that like pink undertone, so I really like that. I'm like already super shimmery for some reason. Like I don't know where the shimmer is coming from, but like bitch, she's gleaming. And I'm just about done. Now all I have to do is my lips and my under eyes. But this is the look. I'm probably gonna try to like FaceTime Julia now and see like where she's at. It's only 9:18. She's definitely probably not gonna get off until like way later, like probably like 11. So y'all, I finished getting ready. This is the finished look. I'm gonna tell you guys where everything is from. So my necklaces are from Shop Page Official, my ring Pandora, eyelashes Crazy Eyelash, and then this two-piece set is from Look Sky, and then this little bralette is from Amazon, and then the heels that I'm gonna be wearing tonight are from Shein, I believe, or possibly Amazon. Pretty positive Shein, but they're just some black ones. And then I'm wearing this little black purse. I'm currently making some TikToks, but yeah, we almost actually weren't able to go tonight because Julie was like, just like, she didn't know if she's gonna be able to get out of work in time, but she said that she's about to be off and she's about to head home. So we're still gonna be able to go. Dwayne and his boyfriend are on their way to the apartment right now. So I'm just waiting for them, but then we're gonna just like pregame a little bit, hang out here, and then go out after.